Hello everyone, welcome to Full Stack Development. This is Manjunath. Today we are going to discuss about the duplicate characters in a string. So suppose if we have provided any string, so how will you find out a duplicate, that string is having a duplicate character or not? Okay, this is the agenda. So let me consider a string. So I am considering character as the string. So how will you come to know that one? The given string is having duplicate characters or not. So there are many ways to find out this one. The two methods I know actually. So one method is compare one character with other characters actually. Characters. Okay. So I will take the character C as the character and I will compare with the remaining characters actually. The remaining characters in the string. So if I found the duplicate of C, so I will return false. Otherwise, I will continue with the next character, that is H. So H will be compared with the remaining one. So if I found H duplicate ones, so I will break that loop and I will come back. Otherwise, this one actually it will move on comparing with character by character. So if we follow this method actually, so there is one problem like so we have to use the multiple loops. That's a two loops. So it will lead in 10 complexity of n square. So that's not uh, maybe encouraged by the interviewers. So for that one, so we'll use of the in the other method actually we will use of set. That is hash set or linked hash set. Okay, so we will use anyone. So and what we will do is, so we will try to add each character into set method called add. So set method will return a boolean value. Will return boolean value. Set method add, sorry, set class add method returns a boolean value. So that is how it works actually. So first time when we are pushing character C, consider the character is the input string. So if we are pushing C into as set, so it will accept that character and it will returns true. Okay, H, if you push the same character, like so C is having two times. So if we are pushing at the second time, what it will do is it will not accept that character and it will return false. So we will use that advantage of set and we will code for that one. So let me go and code for the second way actually. So we have a class duplicate char in string, the class name. So and I will write one method static boolean is string as char. Okay, str. So and as of now, for comparison purpose, I will return false. Okay, so I'll create, I'll use a set actually, so which will accept characters, and I say this is a character set, and I will create that object of that one as a hash set. So sorry, for each character in string, so I will convert to string to char array. If char set dot add of C, so I will try to add of C, so it will return a boolean value. So if it is true, I don't want to disturb, but if it is running false, that's a not of char set dot add. That means if it is returns false, then the condition will become true. So at that time I will return. that is we are having duplicate character. That means. So otherwise, in the end, I will return false. Okay. Let me go and test this method. Yeah, and is string as dupe character, and I will pass character string, and I will go and run. So it's returning. That is a character is having um, duplicate characters. So and I will pass a string only. Sorry, I was taking actually. These are all the names. Okay, it's returning false. That means what? None of the characters in string. It's not having uh, duplicates. Let me take king as one. It's returning false. So no characters are repeated in this string. So if I take like so let me go and take one example as Java. But here actually I will pass the last character as A. But it has duplicate characters A, but it's actually providing it as false. So whenever actually based on interview requirement, like so if you don't want to consider uppercase or lowercase, then it's like both smaller a and capital A, if we considering it as a equal, then we should have a condition like so before going and converting them. That's a applying the char set methodology on this each character in the string. So we need to convert this to lower character. So let me consider convert the string to lowercase. So that means so for this one it should provide as true. That's it. It's having duplicate. And also if the string if we are passing as null, or if the string is an empty one, so at the time I will throw a runtime exception saying string is null or empty. Okay, that's it. Let me go and check for that one also. Yeah, I am passing empty string, and we should expect a runtime exception. Yeah, it's throwing a runtime exception saying string is null or empty. And if I pass null, so it should throw. Yeah, it's throwing. Okay, this is the way we can code for checking the duplicate characters in a string. So let me go and create a test case for this one. Class duplicate character. Okay, and yeah, and I will have public void test for assertions dot equals. We are expecting false. String is not having any. So I am testing for the string only. It should not have any duplicate character actually. So it's a duplicate character in string dot is to character. Okay. Yeah, it should. Okay, if I run this one, it should the test case should pass. Okay, it's passing. So let me test for one like so far character. Okay. So I will pass character. So but it should provide me true. Test. Yeah, it's providing. So let me test for the null and empty strings also. Um, okay, and we are not any, but it should. It should throw a runtime exception. Runtime exception class it should throw, and what is executable is carrying string dot is character. It should throw. It should pass because we are handling that one. Yeah, it's passing. So if I go and check for empty string, okay. So this will also throw a runtime exception, but we are handling in the test case. That means expected scenario. So let me go and run all the test cases. Yeah, the 4 out of 4 test cases are passing. That's it. This is the way we will find out how to find a duplicate character in a string. So, and also I'm sharing the code in GitHub link, GitHub actually. So the link will be provided in the description for the GitHub. So you can have, you can go and download the source code for the whatever the problems, Java interview problems. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share with your friends, colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.